Hi, so I'm going to explain about countable and uncountable nouns. And to demonstrate this to you, I'm going to make a cup of English coffee. Okay, English coffee. So let's start off. Nouns. So nouns we know explain objects, people or animals. Yes? Okay, so these nouns can be countable or uncountable. Well, what do we mean by uncountable? Well, let's take the English coffee as an example. Okay, so I've got my mug. Okay, I've got my mug. And in the mug, first of all, we're going to put some water. Okay, so we're going to put some water in the mug. So I said some water, some water. Can we count the water? Can we count the water? 1 water, 2 waters? No, we can't. If you can't count it with numbers and you can't put a or an in front of it, then it's unaccountable. Okay? Generally, liquids are the easy ones to do. Okay? So after that, we add coffee. Yeah? So we've got coffee here. And if you look, can you count all the grains of coffee? 1 grain, 2 grains? No, it would be impossible. Yeah? So coffee again, yeah, just put some in here, is unaccountable. However, I have my spoon here. If I add 1 spoon of coffee, then I'm counting it. So I could add 1 spoon, 2 spoons, 3 spoons. But the number does not refer to coffee, it refers to the spoon. Yeah? So moving on, maybe you like to take sugar with your coffee. You take sugar with your coffee. Do you think you can count sugar? Can you count all of those grains of sugar? It's doubtful. It would be really difficult. Again, we can take a spoon of sugar and place a spoon of sugar in the coffee. So some people say, how much sugar do you take? And you could say 1 spoon, 2 spoons. But again, we're counting the spoon, which is countable, but the sugar is uncountable. Okay? Again, with water, I can have a glass of water. I can have 2 glasses of water. I can have 3 glasses of water. So the glass is countable, but the water is not. Where's the problem? Well, the problem lies in both English and in Spanish. A lot of people will ask in a restaurant, can I have a water, please? Or, ¿me puedes traer un agua? Yeah? But is that grammatically correct? No. Okay. Would you think the waiter's going to come and pour water into your hand? No. He's going to bring you a bottle of water. The bottle is countable. So really, the countable item is the bottle. Water is not countable. But many people confuse it because they will say, I want a water, please. Again, with sugar, some people might say, I'll have a sugar, please. Again, it's not correct. They could refer to the sachets of sugar you get in a restaurant because then the sachet is countable. So 1 sachet, 2 sachets of sugar, yeah? Okay, so that's countable. Again, if we add milk to our coffee, can we say a milk, 2 milks? No, we can't. It's a liquid, yeah? Normally all liquids are unaccountable. So we can't count milk. We can, however, count it if we use measurements. So 1 pint of milk, 2 pints of milk, yeah? Or in case in Spain, 1 litre, 2 litres, yeah? Let's think of something else. We can think of hair, yeah? Hair? Well, if I had to count my hair, I would have to count every single strand, which would take a very long time, yeah? So hair is something which is unaccountable, yeah? It's unaccountable. So there's the difference. If we can put a or an, yeah, in front of the noun, then it's countable. Also, if we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, then it's countable, yeah? So that is the main difference. As I said, liquids are normally the principal ones that are unaccountable. We also have materials. So a problematic material, again, we go back to the glass. Our glass, as in the glass, this glass, is countable because I have 1 glass, 2 glass, 3 glasses, yeah? However, the material glass is unaccountable. So, for example, the door behind me, in the middle, there is glass. There's not 1 glass, 2 glasses. No, that doesn't exist, yeah? So, generally, materials and liquids are the unaccountable things. Okay? I hope that clears that up for you. Thank you.